Sri Gurupyo Namaga children. See, this is 10th standard state board, chapter 2, exercise 2.5. Find x, y and z given that the numbers x, 10, y, 24, z are in AP. What is that meaning for that AP? The differences are same. Okay. So you can take down the value. What are the values they have given? Given x, 10, y, 24, z. 24, z. You can take it as this is T1, T2, T3, T4, T5. You know very well the terms are in AP, the differences are same. That is T2 minus T1 equal to T3 minus T2 equal to T4 minus T3 equal to T5 minus T4. The values are equal. So I will take it as T2 minus T1 equal to T3 minus T2. T2 minus T1 equal to T3 minus T2. What is T2? 10. What is T1? X. It gives what is T3? Y minus 10. Y minus 10. So you bring it everything to this side. It gives, see here, 10 plus 10 minus x. 10 plus 10 minus x equal to y. 20 minus x equal to y. Next you can take down T3 minus T2 equal to T4 minus T3. What is the next one? I will take it. T3 minus T2 equal to T3 minus T2 equal to T4 minus T3. T4 minus T3, you can take this as 1. Okay, T3 minus T2 equal to, because the differences are same. T3 minus T2 equal to T4 minus T3. What is T3 here? Y minus T2 value is what? 10 equal to what is T4? 24 minus what is T3 value? Y. So you can bring it to this side. Y plus y equal to 24 plus 10. Minus 10 will go that side, means it become plus 10. That's the same way minus y become plus y. So 2y equal to 34. What is the value of y? What is the value of y? Y equal to 34 by 2. Y equal to 17. Substitute y equal to 17 in first equation. Substitute y equal to 17 in first equation. So what is the value we are getting? 20 minus x equal to 17. So minus x equal to 17 minus 20. Minus x equal to minus 3. What is the value of x? X equal to 3. Okay. See the next, T4 minus T3 equal to T4 minus T3 equal to T5 minus T4. T4 minus T3 equal to T5 minus T4. T4 is what? 24 minus T3 is what? Y equal to T5. Z minus T4 is what? 24. What is the value of y? Y is 17. So 24 minus 17 equal to Z minus 24. Z minus 24 minus 17 equal to Z minus 24. So 24 plus 24, you bring it to this side. 24 plus 24 minus 17 equal to Z. 38, 48 minus 17 equal to Z. So what is the value of Z? Z equal to 31. Z equal to 31. X equal to 3 and y equal to 17. These are the values are x, y and z. See the 10th sum. In a theatre, there are 20 seats in a front row. The first row there are 20 seats and 30 rows were allotted. Have you seen in the theatres? There are all the rows like this. Okay. Just you can imagine any one of the theatre like Rocky Theatre. See, 30 rows were allotted. Each successive row contains 2 additional seats. Suppose in the front row it is 20 seats, means the next row is a 22. The next row is 24. The next row is 26. Like this the seats were allotted. Okay. Additional seats then the front row. How many seats there are there in the last row? How many seats they were allotted in the last row? How many rows are there? 30 rows. Just you can imagine how many seats they were allotted in the 30th row. Okay, we can take it. See here, you can take everything. Number of seats. Number of seats in front row. First row. In front row. Number of seats in front row, that is the first row. First row always you can take it as T1 equal to 20. T1 equal to 20. Number of seats in the second row. Number of seats in the second row. Second row, that is you can take it as T2, that is 2 seats were added. So 20 plus 2, it gives what? 22. So number of seats in the 30th row, you should find out number of seats in the 30th row. So first row the seat is 20, the next row is 22, the next row is 24. Likewise you should find out the value of what? 30th row, last row, 30 terms. You should find out 30th terms. See here, A equal to 20 because this is the first row. A equal to 20. What is the difference? 22 minus 20 gives what? 2. What is N? N equal to 30 because you should find out the number of seats in the 30th row. See, you should find out, you know the formula Tn equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. What is the value of N? 30. T30 equal to, what is the A value? A value equal to 20 plus 30 minus 1 into D is what? 2. So it gives 20 plus 29 into 2. 29 into 2. So 20 plus 58. 20 plus 58. So what? How many seats are there in the 30th row? 78 seats. So in the last row, 78 seats are allotted. In the last row, how many seats are allotted? 78 seats are allotted. See, sum of 3 consecutive terms in an AP is 27 and their product is 288. Find the 3 terms. So you can take it as the consecutive terms. Let the consecutive terms are, what we have to take? Consecutive terms are A minus D, A minus D, A plus D. You can take like this. A minus D, A plus D. They have given us sum of the 3 consecutive terms is 27. So A minus D plus A plus D equal to 27. Minus D plus D get cancelled. 3A equal to 27. A equal to 27 by 3. The value is 9. Next, what is given? Product. Product is 288. What is product? A into, you have to multiply. See here, A minus D into A into A plus D equal to 288. So, A minus B into A plus B, what is the formula? A square minus B square. So A into A square minus D square equal to 288. What is the value of A? 9 into 81, that is 9 square. 81 minus D square equal to 288. 81 minus D square equal to 288 by 9. 288 by 9, what is the value? 9 3s are 27, 9 2s are 18. So 81 minus D square equal to 32 minus D square equal to 32 minus 81. See, minus D square equal to minus 49. D square equal to 49. D equal to 7. You can take it as a positive value, plus or minus 7. You can take plus 7. D equal to 7. What are the terms? The terms are, the three consecutive terms are, what we have taken? A minus D, A plus D. So you substitute the value of A and D here. What is A? 9 minus 7. 9 plus 7. 9 minus 7 is what? 2 comma 9 comma 16. So the three terms, the consecutive terms are 2 comma 9 comma 16. See the 12th sum. The ratio of the 6th and 8th term of an AP, it is given in a ratio 7:9. Find the ratio of the 19th and 13th term. See, 6th term and 8th term. What is the general term? Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, what is that 6th term? T6 equal to A plus 6 minus 1 into D. It gives A plus 5D. A plus 5D. What is the 8th term? T8 equal to A plus 8 minus 1 into D. It is nothing but what? A plus 7D. So, the 6th term and 8th term ratio is 7:9. That is T6 by T8 ratio. You can write it in a fraction form. Okay, or otherwise you will write in such a way. T6 is to T8. T6 is to T8 equal to 7:9. That T6 is to T8, I will write it in a fraction form. T6 by T8 equal to 7 by 9. What is T6? A plus 5D. A plus 5D by A plus 7D. A plus 5D by A plus 7D equal to 7 by 9. Do the cross multiplication. See here. 9 into A plus 5D equal to 7 into A plus 7D. 7 into A plus 7D. 9A plus 45D. 9A, you can multiply 9 inside. 9A plus 45D equal to 7A plus 49D. 7A plus 49D. See here, 9A, you bring that 7A to this side, it gives what? 9A minus 7A equal to 7A equal to 49D minus 45D. 49D, you bring that 45D to this side, it gives 2A equal to 4D. 2A equal to 4D. A equal to 2D. A equal to 2D. See, find the ratio of 9th and 13th term. What is 9th term? A plus 9 minus 1 into D is to the ratio of A plus 13 minus 1 into D. So, it gives A plus 8D is to A plus 13 minus 1, it gives what? 12D. So, what is the value of A? A is nothing but what? 2D. You can take it as this as 1. Okay, you substitute the value of A equal to 2D in, see, 2 in second one. So you get the value 2D plus 8D equal to 2D plus 12D. So it gives 10D. 10D is 2. 10D is to 14D. 10D is to 14D. DD get cancelled. 5 2s are 10. 7 2s are 14. So the ratio is what? 5 is to 7. So the ratio of 9th and 13th term is, the ratio of 9th and 13th term. 9th and 13th term is, what is the ratio? Term is, what is the ratio? 5 is to 7. In a winter, let us take, in a winter season, let us take the temperature of Ooty from Monday to Friday to be in AP. The sum of the temperature from Monday to Wednesday is 0 degrees C. And the sum of the temperature from Wednesday to Friday is what? 18 degrees C. See here, the temperature is given as Monday to Friday is what? 0 degrees C. And Wednesday to Friday is what? 18 degrees C. Monday to Wednesday is 0 degrees C and Wednesday to Friday is 18 degrees C. Find the temperature of the 5 days. Okay, so it is already given, the temperature are in AP. So the temperature are in AP. The temperature are in arithmetic progression AP. So let the terms, you can take it as, let the terms you can take it as Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Let the terms Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday, you can take it as B, T1, T2, T3, T4, etc. T4, etc. See, Monday is T1, Tuesday is T2, Wednesday is T3, Thursday is T4, Friday T5, you can take like this. Okay, so what is the first term they are given? Monday to Wednesday. The sum means addition of. The sum of Monday to Wednesday is what is given there? 0 degrees C. So T1 plus T2 plus T3 equal to 0 degrees C. T1 plus T2 plus T3 equal to 0 degrees C. So the first term plus second term plus third term equal to 0 degrees C. How you will write? A first term, second term, A plus D, third term, we already seen, A plus 2D equal to, the value is given as what? 0 degree C. So 3A plus 3D equal to 0, you can take it as first equation. What is the next one they have given as? Wednesday to Friday. Wednesday to Friday. See, the sum of Wednesday to Friday is 18 degrees. See, what is Wednesday? T3, T4 plus T5 equal to 18 degrees C. The sum of Monday to Wednesday is 0 degrees C and the sum of Wednesday to Friday is 18 degrees C. So you will write T3. A plus 2D, you know the formula. What is the formula? A plus n minus 1 into D. 3 minus 1 is nothing but what? 2. The same way, A plus 3D, Tn formula, Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. In the place of n, 4 is there, that's all. Okay, A plus 4D equal to 18 degree C. So A plus A, 3A, 2D plus 3D, 5D, 5D plus 4D is nothing but what? 9D plus 9D equal to 18. Take it as the second equation. Solve 1 and 2. See, 3a plus 3d equal to 0. 3a plus 3d equal to 0. 3a plus 9d equal to 18. Solve. Minus, minus, minus. 3a minus 3a get cancelled. Minus 6d equal to minus 18. Minus 6d equal to minus 18. Minus minus cancel. D equal to 18 by 6. The value is 3. The value is 3. Difference is 3 degree C. Difference is 3 degree C. What is the value of A? Any one of the equation you can substitute. So I will take it as 3a plus 3d equal to 0. 3a plus 3 into d is what? 3 equal to 0. 3a plus 9 equal to 0. 3a equal to minus 9. A equal to minus 3 degree C. D equal to 3 degree C and A equal to minus 3 degree C. See, 5 days temperature or 5 days temperature or what are the 5 days temperature? A comma A plus D comma A plus 2D comma A plus 3D comma A plus 4D. A plus 4D. A comma A plus D comma A plus 2D comma A plus 3D comma A plus 4D. You substitute the value here. A, what is the value? Minus 3. Minus 3 degree C. Here what is the value? Minus 3 plus 3. First I substitute the value and then I put I degree C. Here minus 3 plus 2 into 3. 2 into 3. Here minus 3 plus 3 into 3. Here minus 3 plus 4 into 3. So what is the values? Minus 3. Minus 3 plus 3, 0. Here minus 3 plus 6. Here minus 3 plus 9. Here minus 3 plus 12. So you write it in a degree form. Minus 3 degree C, 0 degree C. That is Monday is minus 3 degree C. Tuesday is 0 degree C. Wednesday is 3 degree C. Thursday is 6 degree C and Friday is, the temperature is 9 degree C. Okay. See the 40th sum. Priya earned rupees 15,000 in the first month. Thereafter her salary increased by rupees 1,500 per year. Okay. Her expenses are rupees 13,000 during the first year and the expenses increased by 900 rupees per year. How long will it take her to save rupees 20,000 per year? See, her salary for the first month salary is, first year salary is 15,000. It will increase by 1,500 for the next year, means definitely she will get 16,500, but our expenses is rupees 13,000. It also increased, see here, by 900 rupees. She wants to save the money for 20,000 rupees. At how long it will take? How long it will take? That is number of years. How long it will take? 20,000. She wants to save the money for 20,000 means how long it will take? You should find out the number of years. See here, you should write everything first month. First month salary. What is the first month salary? You can write it as T1 equal to rupees 15,000. Rupees 15,000. Increase per year. How much amount? See, increase amount. increase amount per year. Increase amount per year is rupees 1500. Expenses per year. Expenses for first year. Expenses for first year is rupees 13,000. Rupees 13,000. Expenses for first year is rupees 13,000. Expenses increased. Increase expenses. See, increase expenses. Increase expenses per year. Increase expenses per year equal to rupees 900. Increase expenses rupees 900. See how you will write. First salary is 15,000. Her expenses is 13,000. So the first term A1, that is T1. Okay. See, second year salary, it increased by 1,500. So 15,000 plus 1,500, it gives what? 16,500 minus. Our expenses also increased. What is the expenses increased amount? 900 rupees. So 13,900. This is for second year. You move on to the third year. Third year also, yeah, 16,500 plus 1,500 increased by 1,500 means it's nothing but what? 18,000 minus. See, her expenses is also increased. Expenses is also increased by 900. 13,900 plus 900, it gives what? 14,800. 14,800. Now you see the sum. See here. See, 15,000. 15,000 minus 13,000 is what? 2,000. 16,500 minus 13,900 means what? 2,600. 2,600. What is the next one? 18,000 minus 14,800 means, see, 3,200. 3,200. It moves on like this. Yearly increment, that is increased amount is 1,500. Yearly expenses also increased by 900. See here, this is T1, T2, T3. You know very well what is that. T1, you can write here T1, T2, T3, etc. T2 minus, because the differences are same in AP. So T2 minus T1 equal to T3 minus T2. T3 minus T2. See, you should find out the nth year. She will get the amount of 20,000. Okay, what is that? A equal to 2,000. What is the difference? Difference is what? 2,600 minus 2,000. The difference is what? 600. So you should find out the number of years, nth year. See here, what is the formula? Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. That is the amount. 20,000. You know about the, you don't know about the year, but you know the amount, last amount, saving amount. 20,000 equal to A value is what? 2,000 plus n minus 1 into what is the difference? 600. The difference is 600. So 20,000 minus 2,000. You bring it to this side. So minus 2,000 equal to n minus 1 into 600. 20,000 minus 2,000 is what? 18,000 equal to n minus 1 into 600. Now I will write it in a proper way. N minus 1 equal to 18,000 by 600. 18,000 by 600. See, two zeros get cancelled. Ones are 30, sir. N minus 1 equal to 30. N minus 1 equal to 30. N equal to 30 plus 1. So, N equal to 31. See, to save rupees 20,000, it takes how many years? 31 years. It takes 31 years. It takes 31 years.